Top 10 fruits for diabetes patients. Fruit is a delightful method to relieve hunger while also meeting daily nutritional requirements. Most fruits, on the other hand, contain sugar. This has prompted concerns regarding whether or not fruits are suitable for diabetics. Diabetes is a chronic but treatable disease in which the body struggles to keep blood sugar levels under control. Is it okay to eat fruit if you have diabetes? If you have diabetes, this post will discuss which fruits to consume and which to avoid, as well as the connection between fruit and blood sugar. Top 10 fruits for diabetes patients. 1. Apples. If you have diabetes, apples are a great fruit to include in your diet since their flesh and peel are high in soluble fiber, vitamin C, and other antioxidants. The combination of fiber, water, and nutrients in an apple slows down the digestion and absorption of carbs, producing a fast increase in blood sugar. A person feels fuller after eating an apple owing to the mix of fiber, water, and nutrients. The glycemic index is a measurement of how quickly carbohydrates in a food raise blood sugar levels. Apples have a low glycemic index, ranging from 30 to 50. All of this makes the apple the best fruit for diabetics. 2. Oranges. Oranges are a popular fruit due to their natural sweetness and various health advantages. They are low in calories and high in fiber, vitamin C, folate, and potassium. Despite their sugar content, oranges have a low glycemic index of 31 to 51. Oranges have a low glycemic index because they are high in polyphenols and fiber, which slow the rise in blood sugar. Including oranges in your daily diet will not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also keep your diabetes and blood sugar levels in check. 3. Cherries. Cherries have a low glycemic index of 22 and do not cause blood sugar spikes, making them one of the best fruits for diabetics. Cherries also contain chemicals that boost insulin, helping to control blood sugar levels. These chemicals are called anthocyanins, and they are found naturally in cherries, giving them their bright red color. Anthocyanins are known to decrease blood sugar levels by boosting insulin production by up to 50%. They also assist diabetics battle heart disease, cancer, and other illnesses. 4. Kiwi fruit. The kiwi fruit is one of the most nutritious fruits, with a low glycemic index of 47 to 58. It is high in fiber and low in carbohydrates, which helps control blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol. It is a good source of many essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, fiber, potassium, folate, and high amounts of beta-carotene, which protects against free radicals. 5. Pears. Pears are one of the greatest foods for patients with type 2 diabetes since they are high in fiber and low in carbohydrates and calories, with a glycemic index of 38. One medium-sized pear provides 6 grams of fiber and just 100 calories, with 26 grams of carbohydrates. Balancing carbohydrates with fiber in fruits like pear lowers the rate of glucose absorption, resulting in a dramatic drop in blood sugar levels. This is how diabetics can satisfy their sweet tooth without sacrificing control of their disease. So whenever you have a craving for something sweet, eat a small or medium-sized pear. 6. Strawberries. Because of its vitamins, antioxidants, dietary fiber, and a low sugar level, strawberries are regarded as one of the finest superfoods for diabetic meals. Several studies show that eating 2 to 3 servings of strawberries can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and fiber, low in carbohydrates, and have a low glycemic index of 40. When you eat strawberries, They help you feel fuller for longer, keep your blood sugar levels stable, and increase your energy level. 7. Avocado. Avocados are low in carbs and high in fiber, lipids, and calories, thus they have no influence on blood sugar levels. 8. Grapes. Grapefruit is a nutritious fruit for diabetics because it is high in soluble fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, and low in calories, with a low glycemic index of 25. It also contains flavonoids, which help diabetics increase their body sensitivity to insulin, lose excess fat, and maintain a healthy weight, all of which are important aspects of diabetes treatment. 9. Black plums. The wonder fruit for diabetics is black plums. It has a low glycemic index, which maintains blood sugar levels normally. The soluble fiber in plums allows the stomach to empty at a slower rate, which lowers blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity.